Today, polymers are a trillion-dollar industry, affecting nearly every aspect of our modern lives, from everyday household products to the paint on our walls, to our smart devices, to our homes, to vehicles. Polymers are vital in our day-to-day lives. But creating these polymers can be both costly and wasteful if the manufacturing process isn't fully optimized. Off-spec polymers are either reworked with good product adding cost, sold at a loss, or disposed of. Historically, the only way to measure critical polymer properties has been periodic manual sampling requiring analysis in a lab. This lab data is then sent to the plant control room. This information is outdated, and it's too late to correct process deviations. This inefficient approach can lead to poor product quality, poor efficiency, extended cycle times, and even lost batches. Some of the brightest minds in polymer physics have worked on this problem for more than 20 years, and the result was ACOMP, which is available for both lab and industrial applications. Automatic Continuous Online Monitoring of Polymerizations, or ACOMP, is a smart manufacturing system. ACOMP is integrated into a plant's control system to reveal real-time data on reaction kinetics and polymer properties, including molecular weight, viscosity, monomer conversion, residual monomers, and copolymer composition. ACOMP is an automated system that continuously extracts, dilutes, and measures properties of the reactor contents. The real-time measurements generated by ACOMP improve advanced process control and optimization strategies. ACOMP also plays a leading role in a company's digital transformation plan by generating never-before-seen datasets that will improve product quality, reduce cycle times, and mitigate energy consumption and resource waste. And beyond monitoring polymerizations in real time, ACOMP enables users to control desired polymer characteristics and specifications. With this powerful new data, ACOMP will enable the next generation of AI-driven reactor feedback control, an important step towards autonomous operations and optimum manufacturing efficiency. ACOMP has already helped customers streamline processes and increase yields, significantly improve product quality and consistency, reduce cycle times, as well as energy and raw material consumption, and reduce overall costs to increase margins and gain market share. And in the lab, ACOMP has helped customers scale up production efforts and accelerate product development of next-generation smart materials, powering new applications and the circular economy. Discover how ACOMP can elevate your organization to Industry 4.0 and enable digital transformation to increase efficiency, drive optimization, and develop the next generation of sustainable polymer materials faster at fluenceanalytics.com.